Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you study for the Algebra 1 Regents. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the number of questions and scoring. Next, identify the key topics covered, such as linear equations, functions, and statistics. Create a study schedule that allocates specific time slots for each subject area. Consistent review and practice are crucial for success. To master Algebra 1, concentrate on foundational concepts. Ensure you can confidently solve linear equations and inequalities, including those with two variables. Develop a strong understanding of functions, their notation, and how to determine domain and range. Spend significant time on quadratic equations, learning various methods for solving them, such as factoring and the quadratic formula. Review systems of equations too. Effective practice is essential. Work through at least 3 to 5 full-length past Regents exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. After each practice test, thoroughly review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understand why you made mistakes and revisit those specific topics. This targeted approach helps reinforce learning and improves your problem-solving speed and accuracy. On exam day, ensure you are well-rested and have a nutritious breakfast. Arrive early with all necessary materials, like pencils and a calculator. Read each question twice to fully understand what is being asked before attempting to solve it. Show all your work clearly, as partial credit is often awarded. Finally, if time permits, review all your answers and calculations before submitting your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.